Welcome to the book reading program of 3ABN Australia Radio. Does your faith need a boost? Do you think that miracles only happened in Bible times? Think again. Compiled by Remnant Publications, the book Get Ready for a Miracle recounts true stories that prove that when we step out in faith, God displays His power in undeniable ways. Here is our reader, Colville Smith.
This story is entitled 3ABN Replaces a Wicked Channel. 1 John chapter 5 verses 14 and 15 says, "Now this is the confidence that we have in Him, that if we ask anything according to His will, He hears us. And if we know that He hears us, whatever we ask, we know that we have the petitions that we have asked of Him." Robert called 3ABN prayer line saying, "I need your prayers because my life is a total mess. I know better, but I've been involved in drugs and drinking. My marriage is falling apart and our kids are being given up for adoption. My wife is with another man. I took a rifle and was going to shoot them, but they were not there. As I was driving back, I was involved in an accident and my pickup turned over several times. Looking back, I don't know how I lived through it." He went on to explain that in the days following the accident, he began to be impressed he should get back to the Lord. "Just now, I was watching a wicked channel, and your station came over that channel. It faded in enough that I noticed the prayer line number and I'm calling for prayer. Please pray that God will give me the strength to straighten out my life." A reflection associated with this story comes from Christ's Object Lessons, page 174. "Let all who are afflicted or unjustly used cry to God. Turn away from those whose hearts are as steel, and make your requests known to your Maker. Never is one repulsed who comes to Him with a contrite heart. Not one sincere prayer is lost. Amid the anthems of the celestial choir, God hears the cries of the weakest human being. We pour out our heart's desire in our closets. We breathe a prayer as we walk by the way, and our words reach the throne of the monarch of the universe." 3ABN Replaces a Wicked Channel was submitted by Three Angels Broadcasting Network, the Mending Broken People Network, a 24-hour Christian television and radio network. You can visit 3abn.org for more information.
You've been listening to the book reading program by 3ABN Australia Radio, featuring Get Ready for a Miracle. For more information about this book, visit remnantpublications.com.